up, Basalinas? I've been working hard on videos. Hope y'all like them. I know y'all will. It's just everybody else I don't know about. Oh, look at this guy. That dude's cool as shit. Oh, they took away my jump. That's the jump right there. They softened it. Ah, that sucks, bro. I jump that every morning. It's fun as hell, bro. They took it away. Damn. They took away my jump. Maybe I can still get some air. They just, seems like they cut down the point and kind of rounded it a little bit. Damn, this joint got a lot of fumes today, bro. I'm over here high as fuck. Woo, this thing sounds good. Oh, something going on up here. What the heck is going on? Bro, is the highway shut down? What the heck? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, the highway is shut down. Everybody, oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Where's he going? Oh my god, bro. Something going on up there, bro. Big time, dude. Look at the cloud. What the fuck is going on, dude? Alright, fuck this, bro. Bro, I gotta see what's going on, dude. Bro, something is fucking insanely crazy up here. Look at all that smoke. Something crazy is going on up here, y'all. Come on. Holy shit, dude. Holy crap, bro. Wow. Wow. Man, fuck this shit, bro. We're getting closer. Speed bump. Holy crap. dude. What is it? Truck fire, bro. Dang. Can y'all see that? Wow, bro. Let me take this off. Bruh. Oh, he rear-ended a car. Holy shit, dude. Wow, bro. Ooh, shit, dude. Oh, it's on its side. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Wow, dude, look at that. That's crazy, bro. Sorry?
Sorry, you can't come through here.
Yeah. No, I'm just... Yeah, I'm doing it for the channel. I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Wow, man. Is he okay? That's the guy, huh? Is that him over there? Standing talking to them?
Sorry about that. I know the driver's okay.
He's okay? Oh, man.
We're just,
You gotta let it burn out.
like a campfire, but we can't. We're trying to put it out earlier. It was just running off into the drainage ditch.
Oh, and then just get worse.
It's going to be, well, that plus for like EPA stuff, we can't let it be
Oh.
off into the drainage.
Yeah.
Storm drain over there.
Is that oil? Or some kind of chemical? Or is it just...
Gas.
Oh. Wow.
Placard on it,
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, don't do that for me.
no, you just made us think that we're like, oh yeah, we better make sure people.
See, somebody will, too.
Yeah, no, after.
It doesn't look like it's going too crazy. Yeah, like you said, it's like a campfire. It's just kind of burning.
Anyway.
All right, brother. Hey, have a good day, sir. Yeah, man. Thanks. As long as the guy's okay, you know what I mean? Let's check this filter real quick. There's a car over there, too. Oh, shit. I just touched it. Dang, bro. That's crazy, huh? They're just gonna let it burn itself out. Firemen know motorcycles well because we always getting killed. And these are like, oh, an alive motorcycle. Good. Finally. Dang, bro. Look at that shot. Bro, look at it, dude. Wow. Ooh, I can feel that heat over here. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Damn, bro. It's gonna be wide open sailing from here on out. Whoa, that was crazy. That's cool. He said the driver made it out. It was like a fuel fire. That was like a gas truck. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. That was crazy. It's like truck fire season. Better slow down. Ain't nobody to hide behind. Look. We'll come up on cars in a minute. Bro, that is why motorcycles rule, dude. We've been sitting in all that shit. We'd have never got to work today. If we're in a car, we would have never gotten to work today. Those people probably started their journey at like 4 this morning. They just been sitting in that shit. He said, that fireman said that was they were the relief team. Somebody else had started working it. And that they were fighting it, but it started going into the drains. So at that point, you just have to let it burn itself out. Crazy, bro. That was crazy. Woo! We just fucking bro, that's a fucking set it out, dude. Oh my god, I just busted my nuts. Oh my god, dude. We fucking wheelied. I know y'all are fucking laughing at me right now. Bro, we just fucking wheelied, bro. Oh my god, I just busted my nuts, dude. I don't ride wheelies. I didn't realize it crushed your balls. Bro, she just popped right up. Whoop! We gotta look and see what we did to make that happen. And do that again. That was fucking scary. You know what it was? I was sitting back and I just hit it. I think if I sit back a little bit, I sit up on the front. I sit way up on the tank. On the Cruiser, I sat way in the back. But that's probably it, dude. We were back a little bit and I just power wheeled it, bro. Yeah, boy. I want to do that all the time now. That was badass. That was badass.